According to the British Medical Journal, individuals that add exercise to their lives are 20% healthier than their peers. Exercise is one of the most important elements in the chain of healing. When it comes to healing, exercise plays a very important role according to the journal. One of the ways in which exercise helps you stay healthy is increases the size of your heart muscles and make your heart muscles work harder. So once you consistently engage in physical activity, the muscles become stronger, and a stronger muscle is able to pump blood around your system with less effort. Once it's using less effort to achieve the same results, it decreases the blood pressure in you. So it helps by reducing your blood pressure, because once you put in less effort, but anytime your heart muscles have to put in a lot of effort to pump blood around your system, then the pressure is likely to go up. So once you consistently engage in exercise, build up the heart muscles, and they are able to pump blood around your system with less effort, it helps reduces your blood pressure. And because it helps to pump blood around your system, it reduces plaque buildup in your veins. One of the causes to it that when you have plaque buildup or when they are blockage within your veins, then use more energy to pump blood around those vessels. And because it's constantly engaged in those activities, it's able to push blood around, and there's no plaque building up. And once there is no plaque building up within the veins, then the likelihood of you also getting blood pressure is also low. One of the other ways in which exercise serves as medicine is the way it affects your sugar. You see, once you exercise continuously, it makes the body use up the sugar that is built up in your system. So the body will need more energy. And once the body needs more energy, the body will burn down those sugars, and it will not be in your system to build up to a point where it can give you disease. The same way that once there is no buildup of sugar, it helps maintain your weight. So weight management too is affected once exercise is consistent. So once sugar is not building up, once the body is using up some of the fat that is stored, it's not able to build up to a point where it increases your weight. Exercise is one of the most important activities that prevent you from getting type 2 diabetes. Exercise too helps your brain and your mental health. During exercise, it helps your brain to release some of the chemicals like endorphins, like the natural painkillers that the body produces. So continuous exercise makes your brain produce these chemicals that help take care of most of the small pains in your system. That is why when you continuously engage in exercise, small pains and little headaches that you've been getting are able to disappear because of these chemicals that are produced. And as long as endorphins are produced frequently, it reduces the amount of cortisol that is produced. Cortisol, these are stress hormones. So once cortisol is also released frequently in your system, it increases your stress level. But because you are continuously involved in an exercise, more of endorphins are produced than cortisol. So that reduces your pain, that reduces your inflammations, and once cortisol is not released as much, it reduces your stress levels and makes you mentally stable. Another system in your body that benefits a lot from exercise is your immune system. Your immune system is all the organs and all the elements in your system that are involved in fighting diseases. So once you keep on doing exercise, it helps you reduce the small inflammations that happen within your system. And you see, these small inflammations that happen within your system are the root cause of most of the diseases that you develop later on in life. So once they keep building up small inflammation within your system, nothing is happening to them. They grow, they multiply, and later on they give you this inflammation of your joints and others. But once you are involved in exercise, this pocket of inflammations are taken care of because there is massive circulation around your system. So your body is able to send those defense mechanisms like the white blood cells, the platelets, and all these things around to help fight this small pocket of inflammations, which will not stay to develop or increase in number, so that later on they can give you problems. Another benefit of exercise is your cell health and longevity. Exercise is one of the main elements that help reduces your aging. If you are involved in a lot of exercise, because of proper circulation, because of reducing of inflammations, and because it makes the basic cell function very well, it prevents wear and tear of these cells. So in that case, it reduces the rate at which you will age. Everybody will age, but that I said, there are things and the activities that you can do that will reduce the rate at which it moves. And exercise is one evidence-based, that one of the things that can help upon any other things you will do. If you want to remain healthy and young, you need to add exercise. Whether you are using other products that are anti-aging or whatever, you still, exercise is the most proven and organic way of staying young. And if you are not using any products and you are doing exercise alone, it's enough to keep you in a pace where you don't age faster than you are supposed to. Any amount of exercise is important, even if it's 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes a day, consistently. That is the important part. Consistently. It's not that you do 10 minutes today, 20 minutes today, unless 1 week or unless 2 months you do again. No, you are not going to get the full benefit of exercise. If you want to get the full benefit of exercise, at least, even if it's 10 minutes every day, make sure that you're having 10 minutes consistently. Even in a week, if you are able to do it for like 4 times or 3 times, but it's consistent every week, you're able to do that consistently over a long period of time, you are going to get the benefits. Exercise is a multi-system therapy that is proven to be able to prevent, treat, and manage about 40 chronic conditions or diseases. The benefits are a lot. It helps you prevent it, it helps you to even treat it, or even if you have it and you are adding exercise and you are treating it, you're able to get better results than even when you're not adding exercise and you're going through the treatment. And this is evidence-based. So over 40 chronic conditions that we know or that have been listed by the World Health Organization, exercise has the tendency of helping you get better outcomes. Or if you don't even have any at all, it has a tendency of preventing you from getting these 40 chronic conditions that have been listed by the World Health Organization. Exercise is one of the most powerful medicines that humankind has ever had. Those that are very active in doing or consistently doing some sort of exercise, they can be there for a lot of years. They will never attend to the hospital. They will never have problems with small sicknesses or whatever, because doing it consistently even prevent you from getting a lot of diseases, as I mentioned earlier. If you really care about your health, then you have to make sure you can inculcate exercise into your routine. You need to be consistent about it, because in this world, anything that you need to achieve, you need to pay the price, and the price is staying consistent. The price is the discomfort you go through in doing it consistently. But once you do it and you get addicted to it, you will realize that it is one of the best decisions that you've ever made. If you've learned something from this video, kindly follow this channel. Knowledge is not in one person's mind. Once there's something you wanted to discuss, you can just put it at the comment section. Do research about it, then we'll all learn and improve our health. Thank you.